everyone, this is Queendom Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will get to another reaction video from Julian San Jose. So this is her performance sa concert ni Vini Saturno. Actually, I'm not familiar whether she or he, the excellency of Vini Saturno, I am not really familiar. But nevertheless, we'll make a reaction video sa kanyang performance, which is, the title is How Could You Say You Love Me by Sarah G. This song, kung mapapakinggan nyo lang, parang akala nyo, madali lang siya. Sa totoo lang. Parang sinasabi ko talaga palagi na parang, ang kanta ni Sarah Geronimo is just like parang Mariah Carey lang. Yung tipong ayaw mong ipakanta or ayaw ipakanta sa iba. So let's just check it out how the limitless star, Julian San Jose, kung paano niya to i-execute ang kanta. Of course, parang may idea na ako. Kasi syempre, the voice of Julian San Jose is really divine. Very miraculous ang tunog, right? Very tasteful, should I say. So I'm really excited how we're gonna execute this one. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Right? Okay ba yung audio natin for today's video? Hindi naman siya basag or what? I don't know. Forever's Not Enough ba to? How could you say you love me? May Forever's Not Enough pa siya. Grabe yung vibrato niya, no? Yung tipong kahit alam mo yung hindi naman kailangan ng vibrato, pero kusang lumalabas. Di ba? Grabe yung low notes. Ang sarap ng low notes niya. Gusto ko lang namnamin yung kanta niya. Yung vibrato niya. Sexy niya, oh. Sobrang sexy. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow. The emotion. Ang sarap pakinggan pag nakapikit. Sarap pakinggan pag nakapikit. Mamaya, papanoorin ko to sa Kalagitnaan tayo, di ba? 2 o'clock, 2 minutes. Sexy, oh. Inagpakit. Ang sakit. Ang sakit. Wow. Naiiyak ako, sorry. Ang sakit. Oh, ang ganda ng kaneglo. Tama! Charis! Sakit! Isa pa! Isa pa! Sakit! Grabe! Binawian mo kaming ganyan. Wow! Ladies and gentlemen, Julian San Jose never disappoints. Seriously, she never disappoints. Wow, the emotions are overflowing. Ang sarap niyang pakinggan na nakapikit ka lang. Seriously, very subtle ang execution niya. Ang sabi ko nga kanina, ang mga kanta ni Sarah G talaga, yung tipong alam mo yung kahit ang dali lang pakinggan, pero parang ayaw niya ipakanta sa iba. Parang ganun yung atake ni, what do you call this? How do I say this? Ni Julian San Jose. Parang ganun yung atake for today's video. But, wow! Grabe! Pwede ba natin ulitin? Isa lang, ulitin natin. Ang sarap! Yung first 2 minutes lang. Kasi nakapikit ako eh. Happy na vibrato. I don't want to react. I just want to watch. Sir Boycie, thank you so much. Actually, naka-line up na talaga to. Yung mga request mo. Kagabi pa, wala lang akong time. Pumayat ba ako, Sir Boycie? Charis. Grabe, parang, siya, Mama Mary talaga siya. She ate that. She ate that. Hi, sobrang 2 minutes na. Okay. Hayaan mo na. I miss you, Julie. Sa Queendom. Ang ganda ng pagkakahaw niya. Yung ibang singer dito nagkakaroon na ng mga difficulty of breathing. Mga ganitong part. Kasi ascending, pataas na siya. Ganda, oh. Ganda. Ganda. Ang sexy pa lang na damit niya, no? Wow! Wow! Ganda! Love that! Ganda, 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 ganda. Eh! Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video. The How Could You Say You Love Me by Julian San Jose. Bongga! I love it. I love it. Ang tahimik ko. And next natin ang Forever's Not Enough. Kung hindi ko pa siya na-upload, i-click nyo na yung subscribe button plus notification bell para pag-upload ko mag-notify sa inyo. This is KJ Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!